Factor a plus 3 squared minus 2 times a plus 3 minus 35. You might at first think we can multiply all this out and then factor, but there is a shorter way. If you'll notice that this is very similar to x squared minus 2x minus 35. In fact, let's just write that. X squared minus 2x minus 35. Where a plus 3 is taking the place of x. Now I can factor this pretty readily as x minus 7 times x plus 5. So, in order to, this is just kind of a side comment, in order to factor this, I'll use this same pattern, only I'll use a plus 3 instead of x. So that gives me a plus 3 minus 7 times a plus 3 plus 5, substituting the a plus 3 for the x in each of these. Then this would be a plus 3 minus 7, or a minus 4. A plus 3 plus 5 would be a plus 8. So the factorization of this is a minus 4 times a plus 8.